Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I am here to tell you July 2nd, 2019 was my 2-year anniversary for YouTube. I would have sworn it was July 28th. That's what I was planning on, was a July 28th announcement. But here we are today. I know this is up a little late, a couple days past my anniversary, but I just wanted to come and chit chat and share with you. And just hard to believe that 2 years ago that I started my channel here and my journey with all I wanted to do was to paint my nails. And here I am 2 years later, and I've achieved that goal. I have went far beyond than just wanting to paint my nails. So all I wanted to do when I came here to YouTube was to paint my nails, teach other women basically how to do the same, maybe a small tidbit of nail art. I really didn't know how to do nail art until YouTube and Instagram. So I don't know. To me, I mean, a lot of people tell me I've come a long way, and I guess in reality, if you take a look in hindsight, I have. Because I could, say 2.5 years ago, I couldn't file my nails. I couldn't paint my nails. Today, 2.5 years later, I can file mine injures. I can paint mine injures. I have went into gel, acrylics, polygel, dip powders. I've done acrylics just once, and that's something that 2.5 years ago, even 2 years ago when I started this, I said I never ever wanted to do acrylics. I had no interest whatsoever in doing acrylic nails. Now I'm very eager to learn. I want to do fiberglass nails, which I haven't done those yet. Got the stuff, I just haven't got to filming those yet. So yeah, let me see. I have things wrote down that I wanted to say, and my mind's just really scattered. I'm very excited for my 2-year anniversary. I have a year ago, when it was my 1-year anniversary, I had 100 subscribers. Today I have 500 and I believe 44. That blows my mind that in just a year I've come that far. And it's been through help of a few women, and then just other women, just, you know, where they've shared, they've told, however they've come and found me, they have, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful every single one of you. Whether if you watch, you're not active, you're active, whatever the case may be, I am grateful. I appreciate you. I love you guys for being here and supporting me. And it just really kind of blows my mind. I do have a goal set in mind. In the real near super future, I would like to reach my 600 mark. It shouldn't take long to reach it, I feel. But to those of you who have helped me along the way on my journey, I want to thank each and every one of you. There are a few ladies who have really been there and stood by me and taken me by the hand and helped me, and I want to thank you. You know who you are, the few of you. I want to thank the ones who have dared me, who have inspired me, have been there to support me and stay active on my channel. Thank you. To those of you who have subbed, who are new subs to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you and I appreciate you for being here. I hope you will stay with me on my channel and see what's coming. Please share my channel so others out there can join and welcomed. And I don't know, this still just blows my mind. I'm getting a little parched. Try not to make this super long. This is just a chit chat video. There's no painting going on, no nail art. I do have my nails from Princess Diana's line. This is $14.77. This is my half of the sister heart. A little bit of bling. Gotta have some bling with Princess Diana nails. There ain't no other way to go about it. So now I have something to tell you. And I'm not putting this in the title because I just want to see who watches and who doesn't and where it goes, and hopefully it goes somewhere. I have, since this is my 2-year anniversary, I am going to have a 2-year anniversary giveaway. I want you to share this on any social media platform, as long as it will lead them back to me here at YouTube. So you're going to have to share my link. Just write down youtube.com/justnailedit. That's all you got to put. Once again, youtube.com/justnailedit. Super easy. Just one way to share. That is my link. On my giveaway, it is going to be drawn on July 28th, 2019. Anyone 18 years old or older may enter. My rules. First and foremost, you must be 18. You must be a sub to my channel, visible, because I will be checking. I'll be checking now. I'll be checking on the draw date. You must live within the U.S. Very sorry, international. There's not enough of you to follow me that... I'm sorry. There's like maybe a couple in the U.K. that I know of. They're sassy, but I don't know. Maybe if there's enough, maybe I'll do a PayPal thing down the road here for them. But for right now, this is U.S. U.S. only. I want you to comment, enter me, and just, I guess, put U.S. It doesn't matter, but put U.S. You have to live in the U.S. And that's pretty much it. I want you to share this video like crazy. I want you to bring me subs. I want you to comment to support me, to be there along the way. If you want extra entries, the only thing I can think of to do is to share my video. I'm not showing what the gifts are yet. I'm not telling who the sponsors are yet. I'm going to make something up along the way and post that show the products and who's sponsoring this. There are multiple sponsors, and there's only going to be one winner. They're going to get the whole caboodle, and there's going to be a lot of stuff. But they're going to get the whole caboodle. So, back to the entries. To get extra entries, bring me subs. Say if they say, oh, Princess Nails Diana brought me, Nails of Interest sent me, Pumpkin's Nail Station sent me, that's going to get you another extra entry. The more subs you bring me, the more entries you get. It's really that simple. So, go out there. Send them my way, because I would greatly appreciate that. So, this is going to be the end, I guess. Thank you for my 2 years. Thank you, I didn't get all choked up at all. This last 2 years has been remarkable. It really, really has. It's just, I've grown in many ways. I've made a lot of new friends. I've met a lot of great people from all around this great world of ours. And I don't know, to me that's the highlight for me, is meeting these great women and a couple of guys along the way that are into nails and are willing to help somebody that doesn't say. I've had a couple people criticize me and put me down in like DMs because of this, or are you going to try this or this, that, or the other, but they've been doing this 10, 15 years, 5 years, whatever. Like I said, 2.5 years ago, I couldn't file my own nails. I couldn't paint my nails. I'd paint them and they'd be the norm, you get a little bit on your sidewall, maybe a little bit on your cuticle here. Not me. I had it all over the place like Sloppy Susie. 5 minutes later, I was taking it off and having to redo them because I messed them up so badly. It wasn't no quick little fix with some spit for a regular polish. I don't know. It was just, I couldn't do those things. I was not able. I didn't have the knowledge. I never paid attention. I had somebody for a long time who did my nails. I'll call her Madge. I had a Madge. She took care of my nails for like 20 years. She moved like 30 miles away from me. I didn't see her anymore. She was a friend, not just somebody who did my nails. And I had to learn. So last time she filed, I paid attention like do it no tomorrow. I started watching Robin Moses. She taught me how to file my nails. Thank you, Robin. Started watching My Simple Little Pleasures. She taught me how to paint my nails. Thank you, honey, for that. I mean, neither one of them watch my channel. I'm not on their radar. I mean, Robin knows me. We talk here and there sometimes, but I didn't know things. So for those of you who want to, in your mind, put me down or whatever, stop and think where I was 2 years ago. Nowhere. So I've come a long way. I'm very proud of myself. I'm proud. I'm just proud of myself all the way around. I want to thank you again for your support, for being here, for the love. I love you guys, each and every one of you, good or the bad or the ugly, because I just do. It's just, this has been quite an experience in my life. It's something that I will never forget. And I just can't wait to continue this journey with you. So please subscribe, like, share. Don't forget either one of those, please. Comment down below, enter me. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.